Hi, I'm Honoree. I'm a civil engineer who recently went through a breast cancer journey. I'm doing awesome now, about a little over 3 years cancer-free. But since kicking cancer's butt, I've learned so much about how to get healthy and how to stay healthy. So I decided to take a break from my engineering and become a holistic health coach. So I know, big changes, right? I heard Ali talking about his Accountability Ascension Program during a Wholesome Alchemy retreat this past summer when we were in Central America, and I just knew it was the program that I needed to jumpstart my business. Ali already owns a multi-million-dollar business and he has created this program that teaches you time management skills, how to keep yourself accountable to complete the necessary tasks throughout your week, not only to rock your business, but to also ensure you're hitting goals in all areas of your life. For me, learning the strategies to prioritize my time and learn how to keep myself accountable and getting all the daily tasks completed, that's what's given me the success and the confidence that I needed to launch my coaching business. Going through Ali's Accountability Ascension Program, it's helped me gain more confidence as a leader, and has helped me improve my communication skills and my relationships. I feel closer to my authentic self than ever before, and I'm so excited to be on this new career path. Working with Ali was awesome. I'm so grateful, so very grateful to have had the support I needed in this big transformation in my life. I spent almost 20 years either studying civil engineering or working as a civil engineer, so switching to a holistic health coach has been a big change for me. But it's what I'm meant to do. And I'm so happy to be here and to now I have the confidence I need to guide my clients. Just last week, I'm in my last week of the program, the 12th week, and just last week I got my first 3 clients. So it feels so good to be ready and to be here and to have the confidence, and now that I'm in this place, to be able to guide others to do the same. So I'm super excited and grateful. So if you're looking to start your own business or gain confidence or learn better communication skills or help with reaching your health and wellness goals, or even to connect closer to with your true self or just with spirit, then I think Ali's Accountability Ascension Program would be perfect for you. He takes a holistic approach to gain better balance in all aspects of your life. I'm so grateful I said yes. But of course, you have the capability to do it on your own, right? We all do. We all have it within us. But wouldn't you rather make it a little bit easier, get the support you need to get there a little bit quicker, in 12 weeks? For me, I've learned that the best investment I can ever make is to invest in myself. And the life I'm creating is a perfect example of it. A few years ago, I read a quote from Jim Rohn that said, "Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune." Ever since I read that, I've been on a learning journey and collecting all the tools I need to live a happy, stress-free, and abundant life. I'm so excited and grateful to have learned Ali's secrets to get me to my dream life all that much more quickly. And I know if you say yes, you will be too.